Welcome to Ocean View Marpets Beach Resort!
Dito kayo dito. Kasi hindi kaya.
Marpets!
Ngayon, what do we have here in Infanta? There are a lot of things na makikita nyo dito sa aming bayan. At dahil nanonood ka, sabay-sabay nating pasukin ang Marpets Ocean View Beach Resort! Ay sarado pang resort. Paano ga ito?
Ay, Tutoy, mag-ano kayo?
Kami pa maglalangoy.
Sarado pa, Tutoy.
Sarado?
Oo.
Anong oras pa magbubukas?
Alas 7.
Ako pa maglalangoy, papasok.
Sarado pa.
Sarado?
Oo.
Ay, anong oras pa magbubukas?
Ay, alas 7.
Alas 7. Ay, ako pa maglalangoy. Sarado?
Ay, Tutoy, alas 7 na pala, bukas na pala kami. Pasok kayo.
At kung nakikita ninyo sa aking likuran, this is the pool area. At kapag maglalangoy sa pool, dapat sinusunod ang mga palatuntunin. Isa sa pangunahing rule bago tayo maglangoy ay no diving.
Tama ka! Ay, no, diving, G.
Yung bagayo. Sorry, mali ako. No diving. At para naman sa may hilig sa pagluluto gaya ng pag-iihaw, hindi magpapahuli ang resort na ito dahil available rin ang kanilang ihawan area. At tamang-tama may nagluluto. Tingnan natin kung anong kanyang niluluto. Pero ano yung niluluto?
Balaw, ano? Hindi mo nakikita?
Hindi ko nga matanaw.
Baydit na ka.
Huwag ka nga.
Tingnan mo, yung balaw.
Aba, oo nga. Mayroon nga palang inihaw na balaw. May hasang pa. At ngayon ay papasukin naman natin ang mga rooms ng resort na ito. Tara! And if you need something, available din ang tindahan sa resort na ito. Mayroong mga consumable foods. At kung nakalimutan nyong magdala ng panligo, hindi nyo kailangang mag-alala. Sapagkat available rin sa resort na ito ang mga swimwear for kids and for adults. At bago matapos ang inyong staycation sa resort na ito, ay dapat nyong siguraduhin na nakakuha kayo ng mga souvenirs. They have keychain and they also have ref magnet. Available rin ang t-shirts. And it has two colors, orange and white. And of course, meron silang mug. And we are so lucky today because the owner of this resort is with us, Kuya John and Jack. And we are so lucky today because the owner of this resort is with us, Tito Jack and Tita Marpets. And they will tell us something about their resort. So, Tita Jack, how and when did you start this business?
We started this business in December of 2016.
Okay.
And it became available, and our home is next door. We live next door. So this became available, and we have a ministry here in Infanta. So our dream was to take this place and be able to use it for the ministry. And it's been so successful. We've been having youth camps here every year since then. Pastors training, pastors ordination, church services here every Sunday morning for JPA Mission Church of Benton. And of course, it's open to the public as well. We've had weddings and birthdays, just all kinds of things. We've been very fortunate that we were able to get it and that we were able to control it also next to our home and for the ministry.
God is good.
God is good.
And I think I did not understand anything.
Dahil sa'yo, nais kong mabuhay. Dahil sa'yo, hanggang mamatay. Dapat nang tangtuin, wala mang ibang hiling. Gusto ko'y tangtuin, ikaw at ikaw rin.
Kung gusto niyo pong mag-check-in o mag-day tour, ay itong aming resort ay open 24 hours. Matatagpuan niyo kami sa number 7, Purok Mangga, Barangay Binulasan, Infanta, Quezon. At ang aming smart number, 0918-575-3343. At ang globe number namin ay 09669-223-615. At may landline din kami na 535-4578. Thank you so much. Come anytime.
Sigurado po kayong tama yung inyong pagkakabasa kanina?
Tama.
Kaya guys, siguraduhin nyo na bibisitahin ninyo ang resort na ito dahil siguradong mag-i-enjoy kayo. Just like and share the video and use #Marpets Ocean View Beach Resort. And you have a chance to win 1 night stay for standard for standard room, good for 2 persons. Kaya, guys, tara na! Halika na!